All right, guys. You see where I'm at. I'm sure we've all been here. I've been chasing codes and doing everything else everybody else been doing. But damn. Fuel injector. Probably gonna do both sides, seeing as this one looks like this. This was underneath the wrap. Everything looks fine on the ends. But right all in there, all of them. I got number 4 right now is acting funny. And I'm guarantee you what happened was when you went to change your injectors, all of this started peeling. When you move it, it starts cracking. So as soon as you moved it and you started messing with those injectors, pulling them out, touching it, it just, ugh, icky, icky, icky. So if you got an older model, well, not older model, it's still young. I got 2017, but I got 200,000 plus miles on mine. If you came across this issue with p124b, or probably any of the p124s, change your harness. And I think where they messed up is by wrapping these wires is the problem. I think that's where they messed up. These things are running 65 volts through them. You know, it's a little bit of heat bundled with inside the intake manifold, underneath the intake manifold, and on top of the engine. Yeah. But yeah, so there you go. Change it. Alright, guys, here goes my attempt to fix all of this mess. I'll let you know how it goes. This is what we got going on so far.
I'm not liking it, so let's see what we got here.
But I'll keep you guys posted.
4.
Alright, YouTube, we back. That's what I came up with. Every single one of them, every single wire, I cut out and redid. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. And that clip back there, my bad. That one right there, pain in the butt. Don't tell me how I didn't break. Don't explain to me how I didn't break it, because I still don't know how it works. I pulled the white clip all the way out. That's what I did. So good luck to you and your efforts. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. We're going in. Got it put all back together. I didn't need to show y'all how to do all that. Check engine lights are gone. No more of them p124b codes. I feel like it's actually running better than when I bought it. And just so y'all know, we are running on high mileage. 236,000 miles. Most of my stuff causing that short in the ECU. Probably would have been my problem with the transmission. I was shifting funny. It's probably a few of my problems. A little bit of that stutter. I think we got it, guys. Yeah, we're shifting pretty good now. Give it a run down the block real quick. Now you got to get it back calibrated where it, gets all its learning back in. What the hell is this? Farm tractor in the city. But also, when I was working on it yesterday, I did the head gasket. Oh, and for those of y'all who think you need to do a head gasket, you don't have to remove the alternator. You just got to remove the two. You don't even got to remove the two bottom bolts. You just got to loosen them and pull them out a little bit. But yeah, it did this yesterday. It drove fine. It didn't have no codes. I mean, I drove it. Yesterday? No, day before yesterday. So 2 days. 2 days I was driving it around. Next thing you know, I got this code. And I'm telling you, like I said in the first part of this video, it's because I moved around them injectors and made some of that insulation fall off. So that insulation started creating a short, and the reason it shorts out is because the insulation falls off in between the spiral of the wires. So when that and then they're twisted together, so now you got that literally bare copper wires twisted together. So you feel me? That's what happens. But I think we're good over here, guys. So if you got a p124b or any of those codes like that relate to a open circuit for your injectors, don't think it's anything else. Don't waste your time on anything else. Don't do anything else. Don't do anything else. Go straight to your harness, especially if you're 2015 or 2015 and newer, and maybe 2015 to 2020, 2021 maybe. Yeah, those wires are gonna be kaputs. You need to just go ahead. Honestly, I would go ahead and order the harness so you wouldn't be down. Go ahead and order your wire harness. I know they said there's something about on the fuel pressure sensor on the fuel rail on the driver's side. It could be a 3 or 4 wire, I think. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I mean, if you're not sure, if you haven't done any homework, maybe you would wait to order your wire harnesses, but I would definitely change those wire harnesses. I've been fighting with this for almost 6 months about this electrical issue I've had, and this seems to be the answer. This seems to be the current draw. It seems to be a lot of the big problem with some of the things that were happening, electrically with my misfires. So, but yeah, till next time. Peace.